So first things first, you need to learn how to hold a hook and yarn. This is what it looks like in the end, and I'm going to show you how I got here. So first, take the piece that came with your kit. It should look like a circle with some plastic things in it. Now take your left palm and face it to you, and keep this piece in front of your palm. Now you're going to wrap the yarn that's connected to the yarn ball once around your pinky, so that all of the yarn is now behind your hand. And then you're going to go and drape that yarn over your index finger, and then hold on to the piece with your thumb and your middle finger. And the way you know you're holding the piece correctly is if these plastic stitch markers, if the differently colored one is on the upper left-hand corner, and then if this loop is in the upper right-hand corner. The thing to pay attention to when you're in this position is the tension of the yarn in between your finger and the piece, because that's what's going to make it easy or difficult for you to pull this yarn through other loops. So if you move your finger closer to you, this yarn gets looser, and if you move your finger further away, it gets tighter. Then the last thing you got to do is put your hook in the loop that's in the upper right-hand corner, and you can either hold your hook like a knife or a pencil. Just do whatever is comfiest for you. Whichever way you pick, your hook is closer to you than this working yarn. And that's it.